Samsonov. The door is shut by Joseph. Yager gets the pass from Joseph. Robitaille. He gets laid out. O'Donnell grabs the puck. Thornton takes it. Joseph makes the save. Thornton. Samsonov scores top shelf.
He was hoping the goalie was in the basement, so he sent it upstairs.
Detroit.
Looked like it was in the wrong building on that play.
Wrong building, wrong neighborhood, wrong zip code.
Sergei Samsonov, assisted by number 19, Joe Thornton, and by number 21, Sean
Brewer.
O'Donnell.
Detroit puts its second line out. Defoe made the save. Lapointe. Fedotenko. Solani gets hold of the puck. Brewer fires! Blocked! Wrist shot from the right. Defoe stoned him cold. Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Lidstrom cranks it. Saved by Defoe. Girard takes control of the puck. Fires! Scores! Top shelf! After all my years in hockey, I still see goals that amaze me.
Jim, my friend, this is the best job in the world. Cross! Harry! Riposte! Take that!
I know you're excited about them tying this one up, D'Artagnan. Why don't you sit down?
Tanguay. Fired it! Door slammed shut by Defoe. McLaren jumps on the loose puck. Thornton. Denied by Joseph.
There was no chance of that shot going in. Well, maybe a little chance.
Joseph made the save. McLaren, he blows by Smolinski. Murray misses the net. Thornton shoots the puck. O'Donnell now with it. That's offside.
Now it looks like time for the old romp and stomp.
He knocks him down.
The guy said, let's go, so he showed him where he was going.
Lemieux knocks him off the puck. Jumped on by Detroit. Lidstrom. Yager took it. He has it now. Offside. Scooped up by Boston. Axelson dumps it in. Quick shot. Taken by Detroit. Lemieux. Fires hard. Yager scores. Stick side.
Up, up, and away. It made the shooter's day. He hit that puck so hard that, Jim?
What? Don't look at me. With the period coming to an end, they've seized the lead.
Grabbed it with both hands, wrestled it to the ground, stuffed it in a bag, then locked that bag in a safe. They don't want to give it up.
You made your point, Don.
Murray. Thornton. Joseph closed the door.
He may not get to skate around like the other guys, but he's still having fun.
Offside. Thornton gets hold of the puck. O'Donnell in pain. He seems to have hurt his foot or ankle.
Yep, he's not amused, you can tell, and neither is anybody else. Injuries are always a worry. Yep, his injuries must be serious, Jim. He's heading to the dressing room.
That's sad to see, Don, but who knows? We could still see him back on the ice.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Tanguay. Smolinski fires it hard. He takes control of the puck. Wrist shot from the corner.
That was a heck of a shot, if you ignore its fundamental lack of accuracy.
Lapointe. Zaminer corrals the puck. Boston scoops it up.
The end of the first period brings us to a time I affectionately refer to as the first intermission.
Enter our annual Search for the Stars contest at Guest Services.
You know, I've seen some great hockey action in my day, but these guys can really play.
And they're about to play some more as we get ready to resume this game.
Robitaille, shot the puck, scores! A goal like that really shows you what a player's made of.
And in this guy's case, talent is the main ingredient. He put a little spit shine on that one.
They've really taken control of this game with a 2-goal lead.
My therapist says control is an illusion. She also says that Jim is not my father.
Defoe turned the shot away. Barron takes control of the puck. He gets dropped.
Sometimes they manage a nice hit, and other times, annihilation hits.
Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Timonen shot the puck. Saved by Defoe.
The play came down to him versus the puck, and the guy with the funny mask wins.
Odeline with the puck. Shatan. Timonen fires it. Defoe turned the shot aside. Thornton. He scores!
He went upstairs, and the ref didn't have to. It was a nice, clean goal.
Detroit
Sees its lead cut to 1.
You know, I talked to the coach before the game about his strategy, and he said they were going to try and score more goals than the other team. I'd say that's a flawless game plan.
Samsonov. Pushed off the puck.
When you pack 7 hits into one, you get that hit.
Breakaway! Fedotenko gets bumped off the puck. Boston has it. Salmoner. Detroit scooped it up. Chelios. Boston takes control. Lapointe passes it across 2 lines and play is stopped. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Scores!
This is why the ever-popular switch the goalie maneuver was invented. Now use it! He's dangerous on the backhand, Jim, and helpful in the kitchen. He's a veritable Renaissance man.
Detroit has racked up a 2-goal lead.
And if that goal was scored in Australia, we'd all be upside down right now.
Salmoner sneaks by the defender.
With moves worthy of his own aerobics routine.
Schaefer grabs the puck. Schaefer shoots it. He scores! Top shelf.
Jim, that's his first goal in the NHL. I'm putting it in the scrapbook.
Detroit goal, scored by number 72.
Robitaille grabbed the puck.
Assisted by number 25.
The Red Wings go
Joe
offside.
Nuremberg, and by number 81, Miroslav Shatan.
Brewer in control now. Fedotenko corrals it. Fires it! Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Sweeney takes control of the puck. In all alone. Stoned by Joseph.
Not tonight. Not this net. No how.
Yager. Missed the net. Murray, hard shot. Joseph shuts the door. Yager. Robitaille takes the puck. Cranks it. Defoe turned the shot away. Detroit has a guy lying on the ice.
Uh-oh. Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it.
He went too far on that last play, Don.
He needs to do a better job of controlling himself. I bet he'll get penalized for roughing.
Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Robitaille now has it, taken out. Wilm takes possession of the puck. McInnes. He gets laid out.
He didn't really lose himself in the moment, though, did he?
Robitaille.
Play in the second period.
Chelios shoots! Gerard.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly.
Next year's models from the world's top automobile manufacturers.
Welcome back to the game, everybody.
One team's hot and one team's not.
Thornton grabs the puck. Chelios runs over Murray.
He packs a wallop and sends it special delivery.
Brewer jumps on the loose puck. Solani got it. Lemieux grabbed it. Shoots! Saved by Defoe.
I hear there are some openings, and put the puck in the net 101.
Murray may be hurt.
He got his glove off very quickly, Jim, and he looks worried about that hand.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong, just this once.
Brewer hit his man from behind. See the replay?
He should never have done that. That's how players get hurt.
Thornton gets rubbed off the puck.
And he's thinking, thank you, sir. May I have another?
Boston got it. Kovalenko. Joseph stones him. Thornton shoots it. Joseph made the huge save. Robitaille. Yager. Stick save. Saved by Defoe. Lidstrom with the puck. Gets the shot off. Stoned cold by Defoe. Kovalenko. Robitaille shoves Samsonov. Lemieux. Yager. The door is shut by Defoe. Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Brewer fired it. Door slammed shut by Defoe. Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux won the faceoff. Lidstrom shoots the puck. Boston jumps on it. McInnes gets knocked over.
Hit him full tilt and knocked him around like a pinball.
Yager. Robitaille. Gerard gets in the way. Defoe freezes the puck. Samsonov. Kovalenko. Samsonov now with it. McLaren gets a hold of it. Thornton. Kovalenko has it now. Thornton.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Breakaway. Smolinski shoots. Barron took the puck. Lapointe took it. Kovalenko takes possession. Nylander. Tanguay grabbed it. Barron scooped it up. Sweeney. Sweeney scoops it up.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Perkis grabs the puck. Ward fires. Blocked. Shoots the puck. Boston gets it. Joseph stones him cold.
He stops the offense in their tracks.
Robitaille. Perkis
Does a lot more than just slow his man down with this hook.
That most certainly was an obstruction. He hooked him, plain and simple.
Wilm takes possession of the puck. McInnes fires it. Saved by Joseph. Axelson with the puck. He mows down Axelson. Gerard jumps on the loose puck. McInnes took it. Missed the net. Yager. Fedotenko. Yager. Defoe closes the door.
Someone said shot, and he said not.
Wilm. Nieuwendyk gets hold of the puck. Wilm shoulders Timonen.
Last minute of play
Nieuwendyk.
in the third period.
Schaefer had the puck with a wrist shot. Timonen. Odeline grabbed it. Denied by Defoe.
Another night, another game, another save. And yet, it's never boring.
Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Herkus. Yager runs over Cesar.
If he hits any harder, he'll need a permit.
Cesar got the puck. Detroit now with it. Breakaway. Gets the backhand shot off. Saved by Defoe. Defoe freezes the puck. Brewer shoots it. Blocked. Solani shoots the puck. Kovalenko. He scores! This guy really knows how to make it happen.
And in this case, it is an awesome goal.
Boston has pulled the goalie.
For our novice users, that means there's an extra attacker. But if you're pulling your goalie, I bet you already knew that, so it turns out I'm just blowing hot air.
Three-star selection. Tonight's